So now let's see how we can add in transitions onto video clips inside of video editing mode inside of Blender. So in order to add in transitions, I'm going to bring in video footage first, and then I'm going to delete out the audio layer because I just want to work around with the video. So I want to have multiple clips for this, and in the single footage I do have multiple clips. So I'm just going to split them out by splitting this out. So I have a San Francisco video right here, and then I have a candle video as you can see. So I'm going to strip this out. I'm going to delete this just like this, as you can see, and then I'm going to go around, split this out over here, delete out the rest. And then on the videos folder, I got some other footage as well. So I got this footage as you can see. So let me just bring this in over here. So I got 3 footage altogether. And now let's say I want to add in transition in between these footages. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go around, and then for the later video, I'm just going to overlap this on the top right here. So once I do that, overlap this on the top. So this is what I have to do. And then to add in the transition in between those 2 clips, I need to select both of them out, right click, and then here you can see add transition is an option. So if I were to click on cross, then what happens is that transition is added in. So in that exact length, the transition is added in. So if you were to press the play button, you can see that the transition is there now. So this is the transition right here. Similarly, you can go around and then add in transition right here, right click and click on add transition. And over here, what I'm going to do is click on wipe. So once I do that, what happens is that the wipe transition is added right there, as you can see right here. So that is how you can add in transitions. And as you change out the clip, you can see that the transition length changes out as well, just like that. So you can go around, and then as you change this around, you can see that the transition area just changes out accordingly over there. And that is how you can work around with adding in transition inside of Blender, inside of video editing mode. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.